Hello everyone, I am excited to announce the start of the Amharic Language Complete Course, a full series designed to take you step by step from A to Z in just a few months. In this series, you will learn Amharic step by step in a simple and effective way, so get ready. In this course, we will cover the following three core pillars. The first one is the Amharic alphabet, the second one is the basic Amharic grammar rules, and the third one is the Amharic conversations. The first lesson is Mastering the Amharic Alphabet or Fidel. If you want to be able to read Amharic, then this is the most crucial step for you. And after the Amharic alphabet lesson, I will not publish any Amharic alphabet lesson or even use any Latin transliterations in my next lessons. So you need to master reading Amharic in this first course. Of course, I have published many lessons about the Amharic alphabet on my YouTube channel and my website, but in this course, I'd like to teach you in a way like I teach my private students in an engaging way to help you learn it once for all. In this module, we will make homework so that you learn the fundamental lessons accurately. You will submit your homework through Telegram or WhatsApp. Course 2, Basic Grammar Rules. Module 2 focuses on grammar fundamentals. We will explore the 8 parts of speech, core language rules, and the most important vocabulary for daily use. Amharic conversations. In our third module, we will move into Amharic conversations. We will cover essential everyday categories to get you speaking immediately. I will be releasing 1 or 2 videos every week if I can, and I will try to give you even more content to see results soon, but also I recommend watching each video repeatedly. If you find these lessons helpful, please consider sharing this series with fellow learners, and your likes, shares, and subscriptions are the best way to help this course reach more people. In the next video, we are diving straight into the Amharic alphabet, so hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you there. Malcolm Tamir, happy learning!